Word would typically look as you can see in front of you now. It is possible to switch it to a different mode called the dark mode, which is what you can see now. In this video, I'm going to show you the steps you need to take to convert Word from the mode you currently can see to the dark mode. Click onto File and the following view will appear, and it's a case of clicking here onto Account. You will then be presented with this screen. It is then a case of going to Office Theme, clicking here to drop down the menu, and you can see there is a list of things you can click onto. And of course, I wish to click onto the black theme because this will put Word into the dark mode. So let's see me doing that now. And you can see it's changed to the dark mode. I will now click onto this back arrow and it'll take us to the view we will expect to see when we look at the document we've been working on. And you can see it's in view now. And it's all dark, and of course you can see that the text is white on the dark background. Of course, if you were to print this document onto white paper, the text would show up black on the white paper. This mode is just designed to give your eyes a rest if you have eye strain, or you might want to permanently work in the dark mode. The choice is yours. But of course, now you know how to put it into the dark mode.